Hey everyone, welcome. By 2026, knowing your way around AI isn't just going to be a nice little bonus skill, it's going to be absolutely essential. So today, we're breaking down the must-have AI tools that will not only help you crush your classes, but will also give you a serious leg up when you step into the workforce. So let's dive right in.
All right, let's be real for a second. Juggling assignments, those deadlines that just sneak up on you, group projects, it's a lot, right? I mean, we've all been there, feeling like there just aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done, let alone do it well.
But here's the thing. What if you had a secret weapon? A superpower, even. That's exactly what AI can be for you. And look, it's not about cheating or having something do the work for you. Nope. It's about giving you the tools to just work smarter. Think of it like a co-pilot for your studies, helping you navigate every single assignment with way more efficiency and creativity.
Okay, so first things first, we got to talk about the foundation, right? Getting organized. The tools in this section, they're all about helping you conquer that chaos and manage your workload like an absolute pro.
So we're kicking things off with three heavy hitters in the productivity world. Notion AI, which is basically your all-in-one digital brain. ChatGPT, the ultimate brainstorming partner. And Trello, you know, the classic task manager, but now it's supercharged with some serious AI smarts.
Okay, so how do you choose? Which one's for you? Well, think of it like this. If you're tackling a huge semester-long research paper with tons of sources and moving parts, Notion AI is your command center, no question. But for just keeping track of your weekly to-do list across all your classes, Trello's visual drag-and-drop boards are just perfect. And you know what? For either of those, you can use a tool like ChatGPT to just brainstorm ideas and get the ball rolling in the first place.
All right, so you're organized. Your schedule is on point. Now what? Let's talk about leveling up the actual work. This next batch of tools is all about helping you research faster, write way more clearly, and build presentations that are actually going to impress your professors.
In this corner, we've got a trio of academic specialists. You've got Grammarly and Quillbot to make your writing absolutely spotless, Perplexity AI for research that's, well, lightning fast, and then Scribe or Tome AI for whipping up professional-looking documents and presentations in no time.
See, the secret here is using the right tool for the right job. Before you even think about submitting that big essay, run it through Grammarly. It'll catch all those sneaky typos and awkward sentences. Then, when you're at the very beginning of your research, instead of getting lost in a dozen browser tabs, just ask Perplexity AI a question. You get instant answers, and, this is huge, with sources cited. And finally, when it's time to show off your findings, Tome can help you build a slick, professional slide deck in just a few minutes. It's all about being strategic.
All right, time to get creative. Seriously, the days of needing to be a graphic design wizard to make something look good, they're over. These AI tools literally put an entire creative studio right at your fingertips.
So your new creative toolkit includes stuff like Canva AI for designing literally anything, posters, social media, presentations, you name it. Then you have Runway ML or Luma AI for creating these mind-blowing videos just from a text prompt. And of course the big ones, DALL or Midjourney, which can generate pretty much any image you can possibly imagine.
Okay, let me show you what I mean. Here's a quick example. Before AI, your title slide for a big project might have looked, well, something like this. I mean, is it functional? Yeah, sure. Is it exciting? Not so much. It gets the job done, but it's not exactly grabbing your audience, is it?
And now, check this out. Look at the difference. With a tool like Canva AI, that boring title slide transforms into this compelling visual story. The right graphics, a dynamic layout, it completely changes how people see your work. It just looks more professional and way more engaging. All right, this next one is for all my tech, engineering, and math students out there. Listen up. These tools we're about to cover, they're basically like having a personal tutor who's available 24/7, ready to help you crack even the most complex technical problems. I'm talking about absolute game changers here, like GitHub Copilot, which suggests code as you're typing. It's incredible. Or Replit AI, which can help you find and fix bugs in your code right in your browser. And then there's Conmigo, which is like a personal AI tutor that can walk you through tough math problems and programming concepts step by step.
And the way it works is so simple, but so powerful. So you're coding, and you hit a wall. There's a bug, you've been staring at it for an hour, you just can't figure it out. Instead of tearing your hair out for another hour, you just ask your AI assistant. And here's the best part. It doesn't just spit out the answer. It explains why that's the answer, helping you actually learn the concept so you don't make the same mistake again. It's amazing. Okay, so
We've covered a lot: productivity, writing, design, and tech. Let's zoom out for a second and bring it all together. What does all of this really mean for your future as a student?
This right here is the core of it all. This is the big takeaway. When you boil it all down, these AI tools help you in three massive ways. They help you learn faster, they empower you to create way better stuff, and they let you work smarter, not harder. That's the trifecta.
So where do you go from here? My advice? Don't just watch this and move on. For your very next assignment or project, I want you to pick just one of these tools and really give it a try. See what it can do. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and share it with a friend or a classmate. And I'd love to know, what's your favorite AI tool? Drop a comment below and tell me what you're using.
Look, at the end of the day, these are all just tools. The real magic, the real power, that's in your hands. So I'll leave you with this one final question. Now that you have the tools, what are you going to build? What amazing things are you going to create?